start? Let's try one more time. Are you ready to start or no? That's right. Don't forget to keep the energy during the event. And first of all, thank you so much for coming. And let's do one more thing. When I say happy, you say pride. Okay? Let's try it. When I say happy, you say pride. Happy. Pride. Happy. Pride. When I say happy, you say pride. Happy. Pride. Happy. Pride. Word. DJ, bump the beat. We are going to start. Our lovely judges, please come to the panel. All right. What you need to do is clap. Okay? So clap, everybody. Now clap, everybody. Now clap. Everybody, all right, let's start. Can I see, just for me, Blondie 007, Blondie 007, Blondie 007, Blondie, Blondie, Blondie 007. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You better bring something here. You better, let's go. You got to do something, bitch. Ow, better give me something, bitch. Ooh, better, on. Better give me something, bitch. Come, give me some pussy. Now give me to the barn. Now come in the pussy. Sit up in the barn. Give Blondie a round of applause. You better work. Where is Amina, 007, Amina, the fun, Amina, the hood, Amina, the fun, Amina, the hood, Amina, ooh, fun, hood, Amina, let's go. Give Amina a round of applause. Give her a round of applause. Where is Adria 007? Where is Tutti, is she here? Is this winning? Is this winning? Because you don't want to dance. 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 Now you don't want to dance. You don't want to dance. Now you don't want to dance. 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 Give this city a round of applause. Where is Milan 007? Milan 007. Milan, darling. Milan. Milan, darling. Milan. not here? Alright. Where is Matcha? Matcha, 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 give my job around alright, where is Ray 007? All the way from Estonia. Ray. Where's Ray? I feel one tonight. Around the applause. You look sexy tonight, bitch. Where is Dosha? Is Dosha here? Is Dosha here? No, he's not here. Where is Tutti? Where is Mr. Purple 007? Purple 007. He's not here. Ella 007. Alright. Where is Tutti? The monster control. The monster control. We are all American runway. It's in the building. You better serve me the monster door. You better keep me the monster door. Are you ready? Let's go. In the name of Tutti. One bitch. In the name of Tutti, bitch. It's around the motherfucking applause. Where is Dominica? All the way from Lithuania. Dominica. It's the song and fun. Sexy. Alright, DJ, got the beat for me. Are you ready to see our lovely judges? Alright, we're gonna start from the first judge. I think I should present her with her name, Valentina. The next judge, all the way from Lithuania. I love this bitch a lot. I remember when I walked my first ball ever, she was the one who I was voting against. She's been here since my first day, alright? So you better give her a round of motherfucking applause. I love her a lot. She's been doing a lot for Latvian ballroom scene, and she is the one and only. Bitch, why is it so wet here? Godmother of the house of Tutti. I love you, Vanessa. Tutti. The godmother. The godmother of the house. The godmother of the house. Vanessa. 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 One. Vanessa. 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 Tutti. Who is the bitch? Who is the go. The next judge. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is the first time we have 5 judges, alright? So it's a lot, and these people are wonderful. That's why the next judge, all the way from Estonia. Look at her. Appreciate her. Miss Tasty. Miss Tasty. You're so tasty. You're so tasty. You're so tasty. Ooh, let's go. You need to have the walk. 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 Walk to the top. You need to walk. Ooh, let's go. How you doing? It's tasty, around applause. That's right, give her a round of applause. Ooh, so tasty, so motherfucking tasty. All right, we have the final judge. Of course, we all love her. There's no one like her. The dance performance of Purr of 2024. She's the baddest bitch when it comes to dance performance. She is the mother of the Gigi House of Tutti. So clap your motherfucking hands. Bakira! 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 Alright, DJ, that's a big for me. I forgot about one more bitch, but she deserves an LSS. All the way from Estonia. Lately, there's been a ball, the first major ball in Latvia. It's all about beauty. And there was a category that is called BALTIC performance. So only people from BALTIC could participate. This bitch is the winner of BALTIC performance. So everybody clap for this beautiful lady, Laurita, number 7. Laurita. Laurita. BALTIC performance of the year. Laurita. 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 Let's go, let's go, let's go, bitch. Let's go, let's go, let's go, bitch. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Laurita in the building. Laurita, 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 Laurita. a round of applause for our wonderful DJ, Mars 007. Mars 007.